The dead one.
The dead one says, oh my God, 40. That's cute. That was an awesome idea. I think it looks great.
Why is that 40?
I don't know.
I'm like looking at me going, I don't think
I have no idea
I don't have
how
it
that
on me.
happened. No, but I have no idea.
They came out the wrapper like that.
Oh.
No, this
No,
I
this
was
one.
looking at this.
Ah.
Compared to that one.
How does that fit so weird? I must have got like that when I was making.
Oh, you know what? Oh, I thought maybe you just... Okay.
I don't know why it looks so zoomed up, but it's getting everything.
We could actually send that to Kathy and she could look on her computer so that